Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to add rows and columns in Google Sheets mobile. So if you are finding difficulties on adding rows on your Google Sheet, here how to doing that. First, I will show you how to add rows. You just press on any rows on your Google Sheet. Here I already make the small Google Sheets that only contain 2 columns and 6 rows. And then after you click on the rows, you can see on the bottom here there is an option of add row on the upper or add row on the below on the bottom. Okay, so I will add for the bottom like this. See, I'm adding rows below, or I can add rows on the upper or above it. You just click like that. Nice, it's really easy. And then how to add columns, similar method. You just press on the columns and then see, you can add on the to the right or to the left and so on. Okay, that's it. It's very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's it, you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.